next video in MongoDB. So we will be discussing Mongoose, and I had already told you to read about the Mongoose. So it is like an ODM for MongoDB, which help us in writing the queries for the MongoDB. So if you have gone through the Mongoose, then you might have seen pre-hook and post-hooks. So these are the middlewares in the Mongoose to help in executing things before saving into the your document, and after the document. Let's say you are saving a user to MongoDB and you want to like have the password of the user, then you can use the pre-hook. And let's say you want to log whether the user is inserted into the DB or not, then you can use something called post hook. So you just have to write something like this, user schema, and then you have some post, and then you can run on save, or let's say we can run it on update one, update etc, and then you can write your function here, and inside that function you can execute the work that you want to do. Never execute in external API, because see it will do that work, but it will like take time to your queries, because internally it will be doing some operation. So if you have something, then you had to like use it smartly. I had like one diagram. So pre-hooks runs before and post-hook runs after the operations completion. And I can show you one example. Let me check if it is possible for me to show you the example. I think let me check if, yeah. So are you able to see my code? So I had one user schema, and I had log something here, that is save method, and on save method I am modifying the password. I am saving the password in encrypted form. Okay, and for testing I had just added one console log here, and in post schema also I had run here. Okay, let me check if it is, if my server is running. So let me run my server, and uh, if my server run, then we can check how these things work. So you add already a user schema here, you can check it. So now pre-post schema will run or not. So I'm trying to create one user, and once this user is trying to be saved into your MongoDB, then the pre and post schema will run. Okay, let me send the request. Okay, and let's wait for the completion, and once the request is completed, then we will be checking whether the our logs will be consoled into server or not. So you can see that this user is inserted, and see we have password inserted, but maybe I had not like given to the response. Okay, so let's go to the console log. You can see that we have two statement running: before saving run, and a run after saving is done. So we can use this method for our use case where we need. Okay, so I think this video is over, and if you have any question you can comment it down, and you can check the documentation. Let me go to the Mongoose, what we had seen, pre-hooks. Okay, so let's check what are the things on the MongoDB documentation. Maybe I provide, also we can call this a middleware, and this is different from the request response cycle middleware that handles in express request response thing, but this middleware is for the database kind of thing. Okay, So you can go to the types of middleware, so we can run some validation as well. So let's say we want to validate some data before saving into the MongoDB query, we can use that. Okay, so this thing could be done through pre-hook and post-hook, so you can go and check it out how we can see. Here we are running some queries on front and then we're logging. Okay, so I think we had done all the things, or more explanation you can Google it or check the documentation here. Okay, so there are a lot of things that they are you doing there. Post, then asynchronous hooks, so we can pass asynchronous functions like async, and then it will be like async kind of operation. Okay, so you can log your database operations, key what has been done while saving, so you can do these all things. Yeah, okay, so I'm wrapping up and I will provide this document link to you and you can go and check it out. Thank you.